In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best digital multimeter available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive digital multimeter that our team of multimeter testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. We compare the measurement capabilities of these products side by side, trying them out with everything from delicate digital circuits to typical residential electronics. We rate and score their convenience and ease of operation, included probes, AC and DC measurement functions, and any other testing capabilities they have. Our hands-on evaluations point out which meters are best for beginners and high-end applications, and which have the most functionality and features for testing electrical systems. Multimeters vary in capabilities, but most models measure resistance, voltage, current, continuity, and other important aspects of electrical components. For those willing to using this tool can save you hundreds of dollars in the long run, because you can diagnose and repair wiring problems on your own, instead of paying an electrician to do so. A digital multimeter is an essential tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're an electrician, a D enthusiast, or someone interested in home improvement, a high-quality digital multimeter can help you troubleshoot and measure electrical values, such as voltage, current, and resistance. But finding the best one isn't easy, given all the options. Prior to the development of today's versatile multimeters, also called multitesters, separate meters were necessary to test circuits for voltage, voltmeter, resistance, ohmmeter, and current, ammeter. Now, multimeters combine those testing capabilities into a single tool, letting you perform a variety of electrical tests with one device. A wide variety of multimeters are available, designed for both basic and advanced circuit testing, and geared toward different projects or specialties. While a dealer can usually get by with a no-frills tool, electricians and HVAC pros will benefit from some of the advanced options found on professional models. So here are top 5 best digital multimeter.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.